So we didn't come at 9 o'clock because it was pouring rain.
But if you look at Sione, you would think
That I came at 9 o'clock.
And it's been raining, but it's completely dry.
And it's only because of this.
What's up, everyone? It's been a while since we've done an actual like go out and explore video, I feel like, but we made sure to make time to go and do this today. Before we jump into today's video, I wanted to say a quick thank you to the Sticky Wallet for sending us these awesome stick-on phone wallets. It's made out of stretchy spandex, so really great for keeping its shape and holding things in, like just one card. And it comes with a metal ring, so a lot more durable than a lot of other ones that I've seen. And it's great for propping your phone up to read or watch movies. But for us, because of the way that we like to go out and go on these adventures, it's great for a grip so that we can film things while we're at these waterfalls or hiking and not worry about our phones slipping out of our hands. A few things just to shout out how awesome they are. You can fit, like I said, a bunch of cards in here because it's spandex, and here's it with just one, and it still stays nice and snug. There's another pouch right here to add in cash, and you can keep it covered up and safe. If you know Sione and I and the way that we bank, you know that we don't carry around cash because it does matter where your money sleeps at and sits at night, but it's there if you do. And because it's metal, you can also use it on your phone holders, you know, the metal ones in the car. By metal, I mean magnet, and it still works with that. And very convenient. You can stick it in your pocket, which I love. I hate carrying a wallet. When we go through TSA to travel, even better, I don't need to worry about having my wallet, my boarding pass, my phone all in a place where I can have easy access to it to pull things out when I need them. I can have everything all right here in one place. That's really awesome, and they're kind enough to allow us to have a special discount for all of our followers. Here is the code that you can use, or go straight to the link that we leave in our description and you'll get that discount applied automatically. So check them out, the Sticky Wallet. And now back to our adventure. The change in weather had us racing the clock to visit Latourell Falls before sunset. So there is a scenic point that I knew of that just so happened to be 5 minutes away from the falls that we're headed to. And I noticed that if we took a little pit stop there, we could get a chance to see some of the other falls that are across the Columbia. And I'm so glad that we did. What do you think? Was it worth the extra pit stop? Look at that. Now we'll just see how we'll do with time, because we're on a time crunch once we actually get to Latourell Falls.
So this entire past week we were planning to come to this falls, and we checked the weather during the week. Wasn't going to be too bad, drizzle. Then this morning when we're supposed to leave, pouring rain.
And when things like that happen, there's two ways that we could easily respond. The first way is to complain and get frustrated, and that'll ruin the day. Or what I like to say is you get productive and you pray.
I specifically brought 2 towels because it might be raining today on this trail.
Why does this remind me so much of Bambi? When we woke up, we decided to check our phones and see what the weather looked like, and it was completely clear for the rest of the day. I had no anticipation of being able to both
play and get a nap in. And because of productivity and prayer, we were able to do both.
We didn't come at 9 o'clock because it was pouring rain.
But if you look at Sione, you would think
That I came at 9 o'clock.
and it's been raining, but it's completely dry.
And it's only because of this.
I'm gonna attempt to go somewhere behind the waterfall.
Here we go. Trying to go behind the falls. We'll see.
Here he goes, making his way to get as close to the falls as he possibly can.
Dry from here to here. Now I gotta sit on a towel because from here to here, soaked like it was raining. It was fun. I almost slipped and died 3 times, but I'm good.
Someone's always got to be dramatic.
That's what makes TV.